Now I will introduce you this 3.2 meters CNC drilling center with CNC control hand system. And from here we have a 3-side rotation table with servo motor with 4 clamps, automatic moving, controlled by server, and with 6 set of cutters, automatic change. The cutters can be automatically changed from the cutter stock. Now let me run this to show you how it works. Clamps. Okay, we choose the program. Clamp. It will run. Change to another side. Laser marking. Laser makes the marking for the mullion position.